Hi, I'm Ben. I was 3SB last year. Well, I was beginning my 3SB program last year, so I couldn't be there today. I just want to talk to you guys about the importance of your first semester in terms of setting yourself up for future success, as well as basically what I did to help myself succeed. So, I remember last year there was kind of a mood in the room, or just like a tone amongst the panelists that was like 3, 2, 1 panic. And I want to say that don't. Like, there's nothing in this credential program that's too hard for any of you to do. It's just time consuming. So, like, no assignment is going to be like crazy difficult, like, going to test you or anything like that. There's just a lot of stuff to do, and staying on top of that, like, making sure you just chunk out time in your week to take care of those and don't let it pile up. You'll be good because it feels like you're just weathering the storm. Like, there's going to be for me, it just felt like there was waves of assignments. Like, a wave would come through, and as soon as you finished all of them, then like you go back to class on Tuesday, then there was more, and you're like, oh my God, this is never going to end. But if you stay on top of it, it's going to be a lot easier than letting them pile up and trying to like redo work or make up work that you didn't pass in the first time. So just chunk out little time during your week to get that done. I used to just keep a list in my notes. Like, I would wake up and I would just like put in my notes, like, okay, from this time to this time, I'm going to get this assignment done. And from this time to this time, I'm going to get this assignment done. So that really helped me out. Another thing is, I know you guys are 3 semester blocks. So like me, you're going to be working full time, and you're probably wondering like, how am I going to do this? The best piece, like the best thing you could do for yourself is to get your 30-day sub permit. So what I would do is, for my observations, I would do that on Monday, and that meant Tuesday through Friday I would substitute in the district. So I'd substitute for San Diego Unified. And the thing I told myself before was that I would never reject a sub job because of the location. So I wanted to get my feet wet in every school, like every situation I could. So I went to all the types of schools that there are in San Diego Unified, which is like big range. And yeah, it just lets you see what's out there in the district. Sub pay is pretty good too. So like, it was enough for me to pay rent and like keep eating and stuff like that. What else? Also, I remember last year Ginsburg said he probably already said this, but last year he said like, treat every day like a job interview. Like, every day is a job interview. And that proved to be the most true thing for me. Like, because good subs are hard to come by, and people in the district, you might think people don't notice that, but people really notice when someone's a good sub, or in your observations, like how hard you try. And that, like, trying every day as a substitute led me to 2 eventual job offers, and just helped me set myself up. So just actually try when you're substituting around the district. People will notice, and people will really appreciate that. And the district seems so big, but everyone knows everyone. So kind of a word of mouth thing, people will help you out, and it'll get your name out there, and you'll have like a good reputation. And also, it helps you develop your classroom management too. So if you're substituting every day, then you're going to be used to how to deal with kids and like standing in front of a class. And classroom management as a substitute is like the hardest thing. And if you can be good at that, then you'll be fine once you go to your student teaching. So you'll be a step ahead of everyone else. All right, well, good luck this semester, guys, and don't let that work pile up.